Students, Santosh here, and today I am going to deliver the lecture on water supply engineering, and this lecture deals with conveyance of water. So this chapter is important as far as practical considerations of water supply to any city, and please listen my lecture till the end carefully to get the ideas clear in civil engineering. Before starting the lecture, I am again requesting you to subscribe my channel and to clear the competitive type of examinations as well as degree and diploma examinations in civil engineering, and also it is very useful for those people who are really interested in civil engineering. So let us start my lecture. First of all, conveyance of water. Water is either conveyed or transported from the source to the community or people through various types of conduits. Conduits means pipes. They may be either open or closed type depending upon whether the necessary energy is to be provided by gravity or pumping. So you must know these two methods, that is gravity means by force of gravity and pumping means to lift that water. Then the various types of conduits used are open channel tunnels and pipelines. Okay, open channels and tunnels are generally used to convey the raw water from the source to the water treatment plant. However, the transported water must be safeguarded against pollution by inferior water sources. This is a special problem when open channels or conduits operating at low pressures are used. Pipelines are invariably used for conveyance of water. You people all know that pipelines are used for conveyance. Another advantage of using pipelines is the reduction in conveyance losses such as evaporation and seepage losses. So this is the conveyance of water. Then we are going to deal with various types of pipes. Pipes are circular closed conduits through which the water may flow either under gravity or under pressure. When pipes do not run full, they run under gravity, such as in sewer lines. However, in water supply, pipes mostly run under pressure. Pipes may be made up of following materials: cast iron, wrought iron, steel, galvanized iron, cement concrete. In cement concrete there are prestressed pipes nowadays very popularly used, asbestos cement pipes, plastic pipes. Plastic pipes are very favored in agriculture areas. Lead pipes, copper pipes and wood pipes rarely used. But you must know these 10 different types of material used for pipes. The purpose is same but material are different. So our goal is same. We have to obtain the post of assistant executive engineer or AE1 in MPSC, but the studying methods are different. One may study in Pune or Nagpur, one may study at home, one may study through various lectures on the YouTube, one may study by referring various textbooks. The methods are different but goal is the same. Like that, for different type of material used for the pipes are used for same purpose, that is conveyance of water. So we are going to briefly discuss the cast iron pipes. CI pipes are used in great majority of water distribution mains because of centuries of satisfactory experience with it. Means CI pipes are most popular pipes used for main pipeline or water mains. Cast iron pipe is resistant to corrosion and accordingly have a long life. It may be over than 100 years. Cast iron pipes are manufactured by two methods. You must know that two methods. One is the ordinary sand molding method or process, and second is the centrifugal process. In sand casting method, molten metal is poured into sand line molds that are set in either vertical or horizontal position. Means pipe may be casted in vertical position, it may be casted in horizontal position also. Horizontally cast pipes are referred to McVan pipes, while those cast in vertical pipes are referred to as pit cast. So vertical pipes are called as a pit cast pipes and horizontal casted pipes are called as a McVan pipes. McVan pipes are 100% stronger in tension and 50% stronger in rupture, means bending, than that of pit cast pipes. So horizontal molded pipes are stronger. Centrifugal process produces a finer grained and dense structure with a more uniform thickness. Hence these pipes are denser and also lighter. Cast iron pipes are generally cast in a length of 3 to 6 meter. So you must know that the length of pipe, that is important factor, and they are casted in a length of 3 meter or 6 meter. Sometimes question may be asked in examination regarding joints in CI pipe or cast iron pipes. The first favorite joint, you people also know that you studied in first year mechanical engineering, that is spigot and socket joint. The another name to the spigot and socket joint is the bell joint. The enlarged end of the pipe is known as a socket or a bell. Please refer this figure. This portion, this extended portion is called as a socket, and socket accommodates the normal or the spigot end. This is the spigot end, means it is straight length of pipe which is called as a spigot, and it is accommodated by this socket. Okay. The hem or sterilized yarn is used to maintain the alignment, and molten lead is heated to 400 degrees Celsius and then poured and clocked up using a series of chisels. The quantity of lead varies from about 5 kg for 15 centimeter diameter pipe and about 55 kg for 120 centimeter, means 1200 mm dia pipe. These joints are known as a run lead pipes also. So please refer this figure. In between these joints, the lead is used, which is heated up to a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius, and this is the sterilized yarn or a hemp. Okay, so you must study the figure well in advance before going to examination. Then second type of joint in CI pipe is flanged joint. This type of joint is used in CI pipes with flanges, means the pipe is with flanges. This portion is called as a flange, this portion is called as a flange, and these two flanges are connected each other. The pipes are carefully aligned before bolts are inserted and the flanges are pulled together. A rubber ring of diameter less than that of bolt circle diameter is inserted in between the flanges. Okay. The diameter of this rubber ring is less than that of bolt diameter. That is important. And the contact should be between clean dry metal flanges and clean dry rubber, and no oil and grease etc. should be inserted. There should be no oil or grease, and the condition of both flanges is dry one. Then third type of joint in CI pipe is coupled joint. In coupled joint also there are two types. First type is Viking-Johnson coupling. This is the Viking-Johnson coupling as shown in figure A. It is called as a Dresser coupling also. These are the two pipes. This is the first CI pipe, this is the second PI pipes, and they are connected together by means of wedge shaped rubber ring are placed in between that molds, and gland rings drawn together by that bolts as shown in the figure, and the rings are wedge shaped as shown in that figure. And second is the Vitalik coupling. That Vitalik coupling is shown here. Their U-shaped rubber ring bearing on machined faces, it is placed an outer casing in two halves or quadrants bolted together, which is shown here. So in coupling joints or coupled joints, Viking-Johnson coupling, and second is the Vetakulik coupling as shown in figure A and B. So you must study this figure in detail to get the idea more clear regarding these joints. Then next type of joint is the expansion joint. You know that why the expansion joints are provided to accommodate the temperature. Due to temperature there are expansion and contraction, and to accommodate that expansion these expansion joints are used, and these expansion joints allow the pipes to expand or contract freely under changing temperature conditions. This figure shows such a joint in which the space between the socket and spigot is filled with the elastic or a rubber gasket, which is shown here. And flanged ring is used. This ring is called as a flanged ring, and this is the pipe, and in between that flanged ring and this pipe rubber gasket is used, and the straight pipe is called as a spigot or spigot. This is the spigot. So you must know the figure well in advance before going to examination. Then we are going to discuss advantages and disadvantages of CI pipe. This is also important question for diploma level students. CI pipes are of moderate cost. Their jointing is easier. They are resistant to corrosion. That is very important. Very important factor is they have long life, and service connections can be easily made in them. So it is very important. So they are used for mains because service connections can be easily made. The disadvantage of these pipes are they are subject to tuberculation in certain waters, due to which their carrying capacity is reduced to much as 70%. They are heavier, hence uneconomical when the diameter is more than 1200 mm or 120 centimeter. They cannot be used for heavy pressures more than 7 kg per centimeter square, and they are fragile. So you must know that fragile means like a glass. Then we are going to discuss the wrought iron and galvanized iron pipes. Wrought iron pipes are manufactured by rolling flat plates of the wrought iron to a proper diameter and welding their edges. Such a pipes are much lighter than the CI pipes and can more easily cut threaded and worked. So it is the advanced version of that CI pipe. They look much neater but are for installation. They are used for installation within buildings. These pipes are usually protected much costlier. They corrode quickly and hence are used principally by coating them with a thin film of zinc or molten zinc. Such a coated pipes are known as a GI or galvanized iron pipes, and they are commonly jointed by screwed and socketed joints. Now we are going to discuss the third type of pipe, that is steel pipe. Steel pipe of small diameter can be made from the solid, but the larger sizes are made by riveting or welding together the edges of suitably curved plates and the sockets being formed later in the press. The joints may be either transverse and longitudinal or transverse and spiral. Steel pipes cannot be easily made to resist the high external pressures. Hence, they should be placed under favorable conditions in which high external pressures are not expected to fall on the pipes. Steel pipes are more useful to serve as a big main laid above the ground. They are particularly suitable on the bridges or under similar conditions where strength and low weight is desired. So whenever strength is desired and low weight is desired on the structure, steel pipes are used for conveyance of water. Then we are going to discuss very favorite type of pipe, that is cement concrete pipes. Cement concrete pipes may be either plain or reinforced or may be pre-stressed, and the best made by spinning process. They may be either precast or prepared at the site. The PCC or the plain cement concrete pipes are used for the heads up to 7 meter, while reinforced cement concrete pipes are used for heads up to 60 meter. So for ordinary cement pipes head is 7 meter, or that for PCC, and for RCC they are used up to a head of 60 meter. You must remember this. For heads higher than this, pre-stressed concrete pipes are used. Reinforced concrete pipes are used only for large water supply lines, but they are not suitable for distribution system. So, for example, if you are residing at Solapur and we have to bring the water from the Ujni, we go for pre-stressed concrete pipes or cement concrete pipes. The advantages of these pipes are they are more suitable to resist the external loads due to backfilling. The maintenance cost is low. The inside surface of pipes can be made smooth, thus reducing the frictional losses. The problem of corrosion is not there. Pipe can be casted at site also, hence transportation problem is solved. Due to their heavy weight, the problem of flotation is not there when they are empty. Expansion joints are not required. Disadvantages of that cement concrete pipes is it is very difficult to repair them. Unreinforced pipes are liable to tension or tensile cracks, and they cannot be withstand the high pressure, so they cannot be used for heavy heads. The tendency of leakage is not ruled out as a result of porosity and shrinkage cracks. Precast pipes are very heavy and it is difficult to transport them. It needs the more heavier vehicles and longer vehicles also. Now we are going to discuss the fifth type of pipe or fifth type of material used for pipe, that is asbestos cement pipes. Asbestos cement pipes are manufactured from the asbestos fiber and Portland cement combined under pressure to form a dense homogeneous structure having a strong bond between the cement and that fiber. Such a pipe is claimed to be completed impervious to passage of water through its walls. Their tensile and compressive strengths used in the design are 200 kg per centimeter square and 600 kg per centimeter square respectively. They are generally manufactured under the proprietor names, and the pipe can be tapped and threaded for service connections in the same manner as that of iron pipe. So you must know the threading procedure and the tapping procedure is same as that of iron pipe, and that should be used for asbestos cement pipes. Advantages of asbestos cement pipes: they have smooth internal surface due to which frictional losses are reduced as that of cement concrete pipes. They are light in weight and can be easily transported. They can be easily cut, fine, fitted and jointed. Service connections can be easily taken as discussed earlier. They are anti-corrosive and no expansion joints are required as that of cement concrete pipes. The disadvantages are more important. They are soft and brittle. They are very weak under impact loading due to moving traffic. They are not so durable. They cannot be laid in the exposed places and they are very costly. So you must know the disadvantages. The sixth type of material used for pipes is copper and lead pipes. Copper pipes are very costly. Their use is restricted for the conveyance of hot water in the interior of the building and for making gooseneck in the service connections. These pipes do not sag or bend due to hot water. They are also resistant to corrosion by acidic and alkaline waters. Copper pipes can withstand high internal pressure. Lead pipes are soft and can be easily bent. Due to this property, they are extensively used in service connections and for internal pumping. Due to cumulative poisoning effect of lead, they are not used for water supply pipes. They are also not suitable for conveying the acidic water. They are used for apparatus required for alum and chlorine doses. Okay. Then seventh type of material is wood or wood stave pipes. These pipes are prepared of staves or planks of the wood held together by the steel bands. They have been used for many years for water supply lines, though they were replaced due to lack of capacity. Bored wood pipes are still used in industrial plants where highly corrosive liquids are to be conveyed. Wood stave pipes are two types. One is a continuous stave and second is the machine banded. These pipes are usually manufactured at the site. However, machine banded pipes are usually made in factory. The staves means planks are held together by spirally wound bands of either flat steel or a wire. The bands are first coated with asphalt and then wound. The outside of the pipe is then covered with asphalt and rolled in a sawdust. Wood stave pipes can be manufactured in diameter up to 6 meter, and the internal pressure they withstand is around 10 kg per centimeter square. They have following advantages: resistance to freezing, they have lightweight, easy to repair, low transportation cost, free from corrosion, free from electrolysis effect, and cheap. However, they have short life and unsuitable for the high pressures and cannot be withstand high external pressure also. Then plastic pipes. Nowadays plastic pipes are used in agriculture and everywhere. Plastic pipes are of recent origin. They are made up of synthetic resins of highly molecular weight, polymerized from the simple compounds by heat, pressure and catalysis. Plastic pipes and tubes are manufactured from a number of polymerization products such as polythene, polypropylene, then polyvinyl chloride and cellulose acetate butyrate. In India, polyethylene and polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC pipes, are manufactured at present. So the long form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. You must know that long form of PVC. Advantages of PVC pipes: as you know that they are free from corrosion, they are free from damage due to freezing, thawing of water in closed pipe, they are cheaper, they are highly resistant to the acidic water, they are light in weight and easily handle and transport, they are smooth and possesses low hydraulic resistance, they are good electrical insulators, their jointing, bending and installation is easy, they have adequate strength and resistance to shock also, and they are durable and unaffected by age, sunlight or weather, means they are durable. Disadvantages: they have low resistance to the heat, that is major disadvantage. They are affected by heat, the coefficient of expansion is high, and sometimes plastic impart taste to the water, that is very dangerous. So in this lecture we studied the different types of material used for conveyance of water or used for pipes. So I think this lecture is enough for you people and my dear subscribers. Again I am requesting you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it, and thank you for those people who subscribed my channel. And from this lesson you must learn that the different ways of success are very different, but the goal is the same. Like we can use the different types of material for the pipes, but our goal is to convey the water, or for they may be used for conveyance of water. So that is the conclusion of this chapter. So bye bye, we will meet in our next lecture. Okay.